Alright, so if you want to run more than one app or game at the same time on BlueStacks, yeah, the multiple instances feature is exactly what you need. Let's set it up step by step. First, open BlueStacks and click on the Multi-Instance Manager tool from the sidebar. Now click New Instance to create a fresh Android environment. Select either a fresh instance or a clone of your current setup depending on your needs. You can adjust settings like CPU, RAM, and resolution for the new instance. Now click Start, and your second BlueStacks window will open. Each instance works independently, so you can log in with different accounts if needed. Now you can run different apps or games at the same time across multiple instances. Just make sure your PC has enough RAM and CPU power, or things may slow down. And yeah, that's how you use multiple instances in BlueStacks. It's great for multitasking or running multiple accounts.